Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix gallery app is crashing in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your gallery app is crashing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to keep a long press on your gallery app, click on this info button or eye icon. It will open your app info or your app settings. Now, once you are here, you just have to scroll down and then click on storage, click on clear cache, and then click on clear data. And once you have cleared cache and cleared data of your gallery app, your issue might have been fixed. You just have to go back and retry to open your gallery app. This time, you might not get this issue, but if you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to go back and retry to open your gallery settings. Keep alarm press on your gallery app. Click on info button or I button here. Now in your app info, you might see the button of force stop. Click on it. Click OK. Now once you have forcefully stopped your gallery app, before you retry to open it, I recommend you some more steps like go to settings here, go to software update, make sure you connect it to the internet, and then click on the check for updates to check for the pending software updates here. And once you have done, after updating your software, just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue might happen fixed because sometimes it might be that if your phone have any software glitch or any technical error, so it might be fixed in this app. And after doing this, you will not get this issue again. But if you're still facing the same issue after restarting the phone, so you can go to Gallery app here, click on this menu button, click on settings, scroll down, go to about gallery, and just make sure that you might haven't any pending update for your Gallery app. If you find any update here, just try to download and install that update on your phone. And once I've done, you just go back, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go to settings here, go to apps, settings, and here just click on these three dots, click on reset app preferences, click on reset. So basically it will completely reset your app preferences for any app. So if you have disabled any app, disabled notifications, disabled any permission, if you have changed your default app, so everything you're relating to your app settings will be changed or will be reset. Just click on this reset button, and after doing this, you can easily use the app without any issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.